Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if this is your first time visiting, welcome. I just wanted to make a short little video today. I'm reflecting my 11th year anniversary. It has been a wild, crazy, but wonderful ride. Today we're just going to spend the day honoring each other and having a good meal together. You know, it's our 11th anniversary. We've been together for 14 years. We're a blended family. But I can honestly say that it's been the best time in my life. My husband is so wonderful. He takes really good care of me, and he supports me in everything that I love doing and all my dreams. If you have someone in your life that supports you and loves you, cherish them. But I just wanted to come on here and wish him happy anniversary. People know him as Papa Bear. He also has our family YouTube channel that he runs, and you'll see him on quite a bit. If you look at my shirt here, it says Grant Metler and Family. And please subscribe. And in that vlogs, you'll see a lot of our family things that we do with our children, our grandchildren. So yeah, you'll see all of us together mostly in that. The channel that I have, Paisley Girl and Life Garden, is mainly just a channel that I do my vlogging on for things that interest me as far as, you know, baking and gardening. And but our family channel is so fun, and Grant always makes everyone laugh, and he's just a great guy. But as a husband and a father, he's the most amazing man that I could ever have wanted in my life. So happy anniversary, babe. Just wanted to stop by, let you know that I love you, and I know that we cherish every day together and our love together. And today's a special day that we just shared that with everyone. Also, this weekend is Mother's Day. So for all of you mothers out there, happy Mother's Day. May it be blessed, because a mother is there's only one mother given to you by God, and you should cherish her. Some of you may not have the greatest relationship with your moms, and that's okay, but reach out and call her today, or tomorrow actually, because tomorrow's Mother's Day. Just let her know that you love her. And those that have step-parents, step-mothers, call them, because they stepped up and chose to be part of your life. So honor them as well. And to my mom, thank you for loving me and raising me and making me the person that I am today. I love you, and God bless you. And everyone have a wonderful day. And we're out here, and you can see Carmen. She has some carrot tops we're going to feed to the geese. Come bring it over here. But I don't see any out on the pond. So we'll just have to leave it here for him. Beautiful little pond we have in our community. All right, go ahead and throw it to the geese. They'll come and get it later. Yep, throw it down. Can you do it? Look, throw it down. There you go. You going to do a little bit at a time? Okay. That's okay. Yeah, good job. Uh-huh. You're going to help me make broth later? Oh, you like that? Yeah, the geese will really enjoy that when they come to have their little lunch or snacks. You're doing a great job. Yeah, go ahead and throw the rest of it down. All right. So hopefully you're able to enjoy Carmen giving the geese some carrot tops. They say that bread's not good for them, so we thought that carrot tops would be good. They'll come and enjoy it eventually. Yeah. Uh-huh, carrot. It's okay, yep. Spread it around so that when they come, they can enjoy it. Good job. So, I have made it back to the apartment. It's been an interesting day. After I got done doing the video at the allotment garden, I went to leave, and lo and behold, I had locked myself inside my brother's yard. I forgot that you can't shut the gate all the way from the inside because you cannot get out. Thank goodness for my nephew being home, and I was able to call him, and he was laughing at me, and I'll let you in. So me. That is so me. Then I had to go to stop at the store and pick up some items, and thought to myself, what is that music? Where did it come from? And I looked over, and in the parking lot, there's a girl singing and another girl playing a violin, and they have this microphone speaker thing set up, and it was really loud, but I was like, wow. The things you see is just so amazing anymore. Then I almost got hit, almost got ran over. People, when you're backing out of your parking spaces, watch where you're going. I mean, daylight came flying out there like there was some fire somewhere. And I had my cart and all my stuff, and I'm like, whoa, you know. I thought, whew, life flashed before my eyes. I'm like, okay, it's my 11th anniversary, and it's Mother's Day weekend. Please, let me get home safe. So, I made it home, y'all, and I'm safe. And I just wanted to come on here and thank you for watching my video today. I hope you enjoy the picture slides that you'll be watching, and it's just some random pictures that I pulled up so that you can see a little bit about my life, my children, my mother. You'll see on my wedding day, she's with me, and then you'll see that my mother-in-law is there, and there's pictures of her and my husband, and you know, both of them are beautiful women, and we just want to celebrate them. And Carmen and I celebrated some time together out there. She was given the geese carrot tops, so hopefully you'll enjoy watching this video, and it's a little different than what I normally do. But, you know, we do vlogs of our lives, and that's what's going on right now. And you can hear the wind chimes are going, and I got a new set to add to my apartment garden, so I'm excited. So I'll have 3 out here, and it'll be really musical. Drive my neighbors crazy, but I love it. So, got a new set of those, and got a nice new thermo. It's like a stainless steel thermos that will keep your drink cold for 24 hours and hot for 12. My husband's always thinking about me with those things because I take a big Bubba cup right now. It's like 64 ounces, and I fill it with water and drink that at work in an 8 hours period. So he was like, now you can have your big Bubba, and then you can have the little one to put something else in there and besides water if you want. So that was really nice. Just, you know, like I said, the gifts are not, the materialistic gifts are not what I look forward. I'm blessed by the gifts of life and the gifts of my children and my grandchildren and my beautiful, wonderful, loving husband. So, thank you again for joining us. Please like and subscribe so that you don't miss any other videos coming up, and smash that notification bell. And also, as always, share, share, share. Have a great week. God bless.